Soil investigation is a crucial step in any construction project to ensure the stability and safety of the structure. In the case of Kotla Mubarakpur, a thorough soil investigation is essential due to the unique geological characteristics of the area. Kotla Mubarakpur, located in Delhi, is known for its high groundwater table and loose soil composition. This makes it susceptible to issues such as settlement, liquefaction, and poor load-bearing capacity. Therefore, conducting a comprehensive soil investigation is imperative to understand the soil properties and make informed decisions during the structural design process. The first step in soil investigation in Kotla Mubarakpur is to gather information about the site's geological conditions. This includes studying maps, geological surveys, and historical data to identify any potential hazards or challenges. Next, a team of geotechnical engineers and soil experts visit the site to conduct field tests and collect soil samples. Various methods are used to determine the soil's properties, such as its moisture content, density, permeability, and shear strength. These tests provide valuable insights into the soil's behavior under different load conditions and help in designing appropriate foundations and structures. One of the critical aspects of soil investigation in Kotla Mubarakpur is assessing the groundwater table. The high groundwater level in this area can significantly affect the stability of structures if not properly accounted for during the design phase. The soil investigation team uses techniques like borehole logging and pumping tests to measure the water table's depth and determine its fluctuations throughout the year. This information is crucial for designing effective drainage systems and foundation designs that can withstand the hydrostatic pressure exerted by the groundwater. Based on the findings of the soil investigation, a detailed report is prepared that includes recommendations for the structural design process. The report highlights the soil's properties and their implications on the proposed construction project in Kotla Mubarakpur. It provides guidance on selecting suitable foundation types, such as shallow foundations or pile foundations, based on the soil's bearing capacity and settlement potential. Additionally, it outlines any necessary ground improvement techniques that may be required to enhance the soil's stability and reduce its susceptibility to liquefaction or settlement. The soil investigation report also considers factors like seismic activity, which may have an impact on the design of structures in Kotla Mubarakpur. Delhi falls in a seismic zone, and therefore, it becomes crucial to assess the soil's response during earthquakes. Through advanced testing methods like cyclic triaxial tests or liquefaction potential analysis, engineers can evaluate how the soil behaves under seismic loads and design structures accordingly. Soil investigation is a crucial step in any construction project, and Kotla Mubarakpur in Delhi is no exception. Located in the heart of the city, Kotla Mubarakpur is a bustling area with a mix of residential and commercial buildings. Before undertaking any construction work in this area, it is essential to conduct a thorough soil investigation.